Hello everyone, welcome back to Homemade Asian Flavors. In celebration of the Chinese New Year, I'm excited to share a festive and traditional quick stir-fry. Lap Cheong with snow peas. This dish is simple to make, yet packed with incredible aroma and flavor. I hope you'll love it. This dish only calls for two main ingredients, snow peas and lap cheong. For this recipe, I'm using Cantonese-style lap cheong, a uniquely cured and slightly sweet Chinese sausage that's often served on the table during traditional Lunar New Year. Let's start by prepping the snow peas. After rinsing them clean, trim off both ends of the snow peas. This not only helps the snow peas absorb flavor better during cooking, but also removes the tough strings along the edges, giving you a much more tender and pleasant texture. If you'd like to speed up this step, you can use kitchen scissors to help trim them, but pulling the ends off by hand is also a fun and satisfying part of the experience. Preparing the lap cheong is much simpler. Since lap cheong is usually stored in the refrigerator, you'll need to let it thaw before cooking, which typically takes about 3 to 5 hours. Once fully thawed, simply slice the lap cheong diagonally into pieces about 1 centimeter thick. If it's not completely thawed, you may find it a bit harder to slice through. As you can see, this dish really only requires these two main ingredients, plus just a small pinch of salt for seasoning. Heat up your pan, add a little oil, and then toss in the lap cheong to stir fry. Lap cheong contains sugar, so it can burn easily. Make sure to keep stirring constantly. Once both sides are lightly caramelized, pour in enough hot water to just barely cover the lap cheong, then cover with a lid and let it simmer. This step helps soften the sausage and brings out its flavor even more. After about 3 minutes, the boiling water will turn into a flavorful lap cheong broth. Try to keep the liquid level at about halfway up the lap cheong, and adjust the cooking time as needed by keeping an eye on the amount of broth in the pan. Turn the heat up to high, add in the snow peas, and quickly stir fry for about 1 minute. During this time, the snow peas will soak up the savory oils and natural sweetness from the lap cheong broth. Finally, season with a little salt to taste. Adjusting is needed to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor. You can use a pair of chopsticks to check the doneness of the snow peas. When they're perfectly cooked, the snow peas should bend easily when you press them gently with your chopsticks. The entire cooking process really doesn't require any special skills or techniques. As long as you have these two ingredients ready, just follow this tutorial and you'll be able to create this wonderfully aromatic dish at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep sharing more delicious Asian-inspired recipes with you. See you in the next one!